Kuyoze kube yinini niqhatshazwa ngabantu abathi bavoteleni kepha benganithandi bethanda ivoti lenu.
Let's stop waiting for a solution from those who are benefiting from our problems. More than 32 years of democracy, they are still talking about creating job opportunities. Let's create our own path with African unity, African pride, and African solutions. Let's support our own. Let's buy from African farmers, work with African hands, invest with African talent. Especially to the youth of my community, I'm speaking to you with respect and humanity. Alone, I can only do something, but together we can change everything.
We don't want to steal. We want to work. We want to contribute to the economy of South Africa.